Hello everyone, welcome to Mukam Coding Mentor channels. We are taking C++ programming language tutorial. So we are on C control structures. We have already covered the topic of if else and switch case conditional control structure. So if you have missed that, you can check it out in the playlist. Now we will cover the for loop conditional structure. So let's see what is for loop conditional structure. For loop conditional structure is a repetition control structure that allow you. Wait a minute. Sorry for the interruption because certain things is in the background been running. So for loop is a repetition control structure that allow you to efficiently write a loop. So it helps you to write a loop that need to execute a specific number of times. The syntax of a for loop in C++ is for init, conditions and increments. So init will initialize a variable, condition will put a restriction that will check if the condition given is true or false. And increment and decrement operator will just increment your variable or decrement variable so that it will keep on executing to that times which been given on the conditions. So statements will be inside the curly braces. So for the clear understanding of for loop, let's see a practical example. So a for loop is used here and a program structure, simple basic C++ program structure has been typed. So I want to print a statement C++ for loop 5 times, and line will just break a line. So the variable will be initialized to 1, it will check if the variable is less than 5. Yes, it is 5. Condition is true, then the statement will be printed. Again the condition will come back to increment a operator. So after executing one time for loop, it will increment or decrement as per the given operator, and then again the condition is checked. Now our I is become 2 and I 2 is less than 5, so condition is also true. Then again second time the C++ for loop will be printed. In this manner, one by one it will print 5 times, and when it comes to 6 times the flow of the program will jumps out of the for loop. So let's execute, compile and run it. So yes, a 5 times C++ for loop has been printed out. Now what if I want a table? So in this condition you can add a table also. So 5 into 1. So this will be an our operator. So I would type like this. Then 5 into 1 equal to sorry, I should type it like this. Then 5 into I, and I must add one keyword here so that the table will come 5 times and it will print it out in different line each. See, the table has been printed out. 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 into 10. So with the help of operator and for loop, I have created a table of 5 to 5 times. So that's it for today. I hope this basic program you have understood. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you liked it, then press the like button below.